6,000 bags of Judy Ann's Chili Salt Mango sold in just 5 days. This snack is the #1 bestseller sa Pilipinas ngayong July at maraming nagtitiwala at sumusuporta. Ito'y chewy chili salt mango na may perfect balance ng sour, spicy, salty, at sweet, healthy, no preservatives, zero fat, packed with vitamins at antioxidants. Once you try, you can't stop dahil sa thick-cut mango slices from large, ripe, pesticide-free mangoes. Slices are cut just right, kaya no fibery bits, hindi too sour, and retains natural mango flavor with light tang, mild sweetness, a kick of chili at saltiness. May special promo buy one, get one free. Buy 5, get 5 free at free shipping para sa first 99 buyers today only. Beware of fake chili salt mango products na hindi quality assured para hindi masayang pera at maprotect ang health mo.